Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the C++ relational operators with examples. Without any delay, let's roll the intro. First, we need to open our favorite code editor. Relation operator is used to check the relation between two operands. Let's take a simple example to know about the relational operators. Let's take 5 greater than 3. Here, greater than symbol is a relational operator which yields the output as true, because here in this example 5 is greater than 3, so it yields the output as true. Now we will see the different types of relational operators in C++. One is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. These are the relational operator which checks the relation between two operands. For this, now let's take a two variables, name it as a and give a value of 10, and another variable b, give the value of like 4. Now we need to check the relation between these two variables a and b. Now we will write the code for that. Here we are going to check the relation between variable a and variable b using relational operators. First we use equal to, not equal to, and greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to relations between the variables a and b. Here relational operator will give the output as true or false. If the value is, if the relation is correct, it will show true and it represents 1. Otherwise it represents 0 for false. Here in the above example we take 5 greater than 3. Here we know that it gives the output as true, and the true is defined with number 1. Like that, if the relation is false, then it will print the output as 0. When we run the program, it will give the result like this. Here we can see that a equal to 10, b equal to 4. Then a equal to b is false statement, so it gives output as 0. And a is not equal to b. This is 10 is not equal to 4. So that we can say that it is a correct. So it gives the 1. Is it a greater than b? Yes, true. So it gives the output as 1. And if a less than b, no, it gives output as 0. If a greater than or equal to b, yes, true, because 10 is always greater than equal to 4, so it gives the output as 1. If a less than b, no, it false, so it gives the output as 0. These are the main relationship operators in C++. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.